got like, I don't know, 50. I said 48-7. We're going to see how we do today, and hopefully we get a win. There's a lot of people here, and it's hot. Right now we got a little breeze going, but it's going to be like 95 degrees today, so it's going to be a steamer. We got the whole fan today. We got Jared on the cameraman doing a great job.
Let's go!
And we got a lot of fans. It's supposed to be sold out. I don't know if it's going to be sold out or not, but it might be. The game's going to start in like 15 minutes, and when the entrance starts going out, the canes start coming out the smoke, we'll let you know. Just won the coin toss. We're about to kick it off in like 5 minutes. Crazy atmosphere, super loud. Ivan's about to do the chant. Super hard. Let's get it going, baby! Alright, so we're walking out the game. We were winning like 56-10. So we're pretty much just destroying them. And now we're leaving. Very fun. Very, what's the word to describe it? Energetic? I don't know, something like that. Very exciting. Probably win by another 3 touchdowns. And I'm excited to go to the next one. We're going to be here next Saturday. Not the next Saturday after, because that's in Texas. But after that, try and get some more vlogs in and some more podcasts. I have a special guest coming on the podcast. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.